Hindi natin pakakawalan. Rizal Province, Cagayan, and La Union Province. Hello! Sorry I just would like to ask what's the meaning of this? This is a crocodile. Are you telling us about the social relevant issue now? Or is it a symbol of that?
No, but actually, it's just for something just to spice up my soup.
I thought you were going to be auctioning the crocodile here. I think you got a lot of four special awards, and that's really amazing for a candidate of Mr. Filipinas. How do you feel about that? Is it a double kill for you, or a double time for you to push harder, or just relax and enjoy everything?
Yeah, actually, it's a on gamer talaga kasi this is actually my second time competing for Mrs. of Filipinas. And I think last year I didn't receive any kind of minor awards. Even at the finals, I only got up until the top 20. But surely, sana this year, no, makatungtong po tayo ng top 10, probably top 7, and hopefully win a crown for the Cagayan. Yes.
It brings a lot of confidence for getting 4 awards, di ba? Medyo mahirap yon, di ba? Rizal Province, your province is very much helpful sa yung journey here. Talaga naman buhos at buhos din talaga ang tulong nila sa iyo. So what are you going to bring them back para mabalik natin po sa kanila ang kagandahang loob ng Rizal Province?
Of course, I will go to the crown itself. I'm working hard on it. I'm making sure that my Rizaleños will be proud on my journey here in Mr. Sub Filipinas, and hopefully I will get one of the crowns.
Yeah, naman ang ating amen, di ba? Ang crowns. Sorry, if you're gonna be Mr. Sub Filipinas, I think that's a lot of responsibility. Do you think you will be a Misters that will gonna be shouting or telling the people about what you feel or what you hear, or just mom your mouth in order to protect your image, of course?
Well, for me po, it is a must to voice out na rin po, since we cannot let our government take over upon us, since we have a lot of things to accomplish in life and of course improve on. So I think voicing out pa lang dito sa platform pa na to, Mr. Sa Filipinas, is a big step na rin po forward to all of us po na nag-struggle because of them.
Yeah, actually, because of Mr. Sa Filipinas, nagkaroon po kami ng boses about good governance. And I think, or for me, my opinion is, I'm very thankful to Mr. Sa Filipinas dahil we all believe that the youth is the future of the next generations. So, we all know it's already too far late, but at least, diba, it's a stepping stone, and that we should start now. Diba? Kasi if we don't start now, then when? Diba?
Yeah, for me, as what they always say, that as an influencer, we should always stay neutral. But Mr. Sub Filipinas go beyond that thinking. We're given platform. So if calling them out it will help, well, let it be. Let's call them out. It's really high time for us to take actions because our country is suffering. So as Mr. Sub Filipinas, our vision is not just masculinity, but also with responsibility. We may came here with different purpose, but we came here with one mission, and that is to make difference in our society and beyond.
Everyone can really, diba, express and talk. That's what I really like about this patch. Congratulations in advance, La Union, Cagayan, and Rizal. I hope that you're gonna get the crown.